Hi, Lauren. I got your 4.06 program where you're creating a crochet club. Let's take a look at it here. I found something interesting. I was looking at your code. You got your name, date. You don't have your main function. You really should have a main function somewhere, and put a little space in here. But anyway, regarding that, you don't have your main function. Crochet club, input what's your name. Thanks for filling out the app. And you ask 3 questions. You like crochet, and I like how you put this. Please type yes or Y or N for yes or no. So you tell them very clearly to use Y and N. Do you like having quiet time with a creative person? And so then you put the replies, which is great. Let them know I said yes, I said no, I said whatever I said for those 3 questions, and then your if statement. Now this was kind of interesting because the first time I ran this, let me show you what I did. I said, what's your name? I just put Bob. I just put something short. Do you like to crochet? I said, yes. Do you like having a quiet time? I said, no. I said, you're a creative person? Yes. And this is what it gave me. This crochet club. Bob, thank you for filling out this application. Your replies are yes, no, and yes. And then it said, we love to crochet too. Didn't really tell me I'm in the club or I'm not in the club. It just said, yay, we like to crochet too. And I went, well, that's interesting. So let me try a different combination. Let me just put Bob again. Do you like crochet? I'm going to say, no, I don't like to crochet. Yes, I like quiet time. Yes, I'm a creative person. No, yes, yes. Sorry, you don't meet the requirements. Okay, so that one kicked me out. I'm not in the club. So let me try this one. Yes, I like that. Yes, I like quiet time. No, I'm not a creative person. There's a lot of quiet time club. We love crochet too. No, you don't meet the requirements club. So it kicks me out if I say no to liking the crochet or being creative. But if I say no to quiet time, it doesn't tell me either way. And that's just the way you have it set up. You have an if right here. If this is yes, do this and check the next stuff. If it's not, stop right there and just say you don't meet the club. Don't even have to check the second one. And on the third one, if the third one's yes, all right, you've said yes to all 3, so welcome to the club. Otherwise, sorry, you don't meet the requirements club. But the one in the middle right here, if it's yes, then it says, hey, there's lots of quiet time in the club. But if it's no, it doesn't do anything. There's not an else. It doesn't check this either. It doesn't even check the third one because this is only what happens when it's yes. It does all this if the second one's a yes. But there's not an else that with the second one, so it doesn't really know what to do there. So probably down underneath here, else print, and we can say, the same thing right here. Copy. Sorry, you don't meet the requirements to join the club. And that's an else for that second one. So then it should kick us out any way we go. So if I say, Bob, yes, no, yes, sorry, I don't meet the requirements to join the club. It never even told me anything about the third one. It didn't matter because I did not qualify for the club. So you're just missing one, and I just randomly found that the first time I ran it, that I just happened to I'll just say no in the second one, just for the fun of it. And I found a little logic error in there. There's no error to the program. Python didn't stop and say, whoa, line 14 is wrong. It's a logic error because it doesn't necessarily do what you wanted it to do just because of how it was. So missing one little else statement there, just kind of stumbled across it. But otherwise, it's really good. But you need your defined main statement too, because we need to have our main functions, because sometimes we create other functions. Need to know where the meat of the program is. So, but otherwise, good job though.